Hi everybody, my name is Dmitry, and in this video I want to show you how to install and set up the free Lectura Lite WordPress theme. I will show you how to set up the homepage just like the theme's demo. I will also explain the theme's features and settings. Let's open our browser and get to work. This video was recorded using WordPress 5.5.1 and version 1.3.0 of the Lectura Lite theme. Some parts of this video might be obsolete in future versions of WordPress or of this theme. To install the free Lectura Lite theme, go to the dashboard and open the themes page in the Appearance section. Click the Add New link and search for Lectura Lite in the search field. Hover the theme and click the Install link. It will take a few seconds for the theme to be downloaded and installed on your website. Click the Activate button to activate the theme. If your WordPress website is new and has no content, this is what the homepage will look like right after activating the theme. WordPress automatically adds some standard widgets to the sidebars, but I recommend that you remove all those default widgets. Now let's look at the theme's demo and I will show you how to set up every part of it. In the header we have a website logo and the primary and the secondary menus. The first section on the homepage is a slideshow of featured posts. Next comes the Featured Pages section, where you can display 3 of your most important pages. The next optional section is divided into 2 widgetized areas. After that is the Recent Blog Posts area with a main sidebar to the left or the right side. And finally the website's footer, which is divided into 3 widgetized columns. Now let me show you how to set everything up. To upload the website logo, go to the Customize page and open the Site Identity tab. Upload a new image or select an existing one from your media library. After you select the image, let's click the Skip Cropping button. The Lectura Lite theme has 2 menu locations in the header of the website, primary and secondary. The primary menu can have multiple levels with a drop-down effect. I have a separate video about creating and using menus. If you are new to WordPress, I suggest that you watch that video. The slideshow on the homepage can display up to 5 blog posts. Go to the Customize page, open the Theme Settings panel and then the Homepage Settings panel. Check the Display Slideshow checkbox. Click the Publish button to save our changes. Now that our slideshow is enabled, let's add some posts to it. We have to edit the post that we want to add. If you are using the classic editor, find the Post Options box and check the Feature this post checkbox. Save our changes by clicking the Update button. If you are using the new block editor, click the gear icon in the top right corner and find the Post Options box at the bottom of the list. Save our changes by clicking the Update button. To set up your free Featured Pages section, open the Customize page, then the Theme Settings panel and the Homepage Settings panel. Make sure that the section is enabled and then choose your pages. Your pages should have featured images, otherwise thumbnails will not be displayed. You can choose to display or not the page excerpts. As an example, let's create a new page and display it in this section. Now let's look at all the other theme features and settings. The logo in the header can be displayed on the left or in the center. You can set the sidebar to appear on the left or on the right side of the website. You can also control the appearance of featured images inside of posts and pages. The dynamic menu is a feature that is very useful on websites with a lot of pages. When you have pages with multiple child pages, a menu is automatically generated in the sidebar. This menu makes it easier to navigate from one sibling page to another. In the theme footer panel, you can change the copyright text and enable or disable the Academia themes credit link. It's as simple as that. And finally, this theme comes with some basic color customization options. Go to the Customize page and open the Theme Colors panel. You can change some of the main colors in the theme. It's quick and easy to implement your brand colors. Let's transform the default blue colors to a dark red alternative. If you would like to make extensive changes to the look of a theme, then custom CSS will be required. I have a video about this topic on the channel. If you have questions or suggestions, you can find some useful information on the themes page in the appearance section. On this page you will find links to theme documentation and the theme support forum on wordpress.org. Alright, that's gonna do for my demonstration of a Lectura Lite theme. If you enjoyed the video, you can leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. My name is Dmitry, have a wonderful day.